As COVID-19 restrictions change, businesses are grappling with the challenges of reopening. Hi, this is Sergio, your net-based Quid analyst, bringing you insights from our latest report, Understanding When and How to Reopen Your Business. Visit netbase.com/2020 Reopen Guide to download this report. This ebook is divided into 3 sections, including broad strokes around reopening, reopening indicators, and brands working to instill confidence. The first section of this report identifies broad strokes around reopening. The term reopening is generating tens of millions of mentions every month. To help focus on meaningful insights, there are some basic approaches you would likely want to consider. First, follower count. You want people with less than 500 followers for the general population and more than 50,000 for influencers and key opinion leaders. Second approach, sentiment drivers. You want to direct sentiment towards any language cues within posts rather than just at reopen mention. The third approach is looking at time segments. Find out what pops in conversations in various weeks to see what cycles in and out. The second section of this report looks at reopening indicators, how to gauge specific consumer actions to guide your choices. When looking at the travel industry, consumer perception has shifted. Sentiment saw its lowest volumes in recent months, roughly down 20% from mid-March. We're also seeing blips around being more active with summer travel. These are signals people are shifting their travel behaviors and sentiment. This report's third and final section reveals how brands like Disney are instilling consumer confidence. Disney started a phased reopening of Walt Disney World, and early indications were definitely trending in the positive direction. Phrases like "can't wait to visit" started to pop up online. People were even mentioning specific places they want to go to first on their Instagram. Get more insights by downloading our COVID-19 report on understanding when and how to reopen your business. Visit netbase.com/2020 Reopen Guide. Stay tuned for more great video content. Hit the red subscribe button on the NetBase Quid YouTube page.